Like that.
Everybody comes to the top of the tower. Thank you very much for listening.
Hit
Ladies and gentlemen,
the
for
wrong
last
button,
2
Ro.
minutes, I'm gonna say you have been playing with
Just
Freelancers
redeploying,
Union.
get back in.
This is FUBG, Freelancers Union building group led by me. We do this every Sunday, normally. It is a more relaxing style of play, but it can get extremely hectic, as you can see tonight. If you liked what you see today and you wish to join us for this, it's on Sunday for our regular platoons. It is on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday 1900 CET. Be sure to add your squad leaders and or your platoon leader to your friends list, and we will be inviting you along for the next one. Pretty sure I'm doing this to mostly FUs, but yeah, it's good enough. There's a couple of other people around here, not many.
Across the bridge.
After that, I would say I hope you had a good time. I had an amazing time. This base that we're standing in right now looks beautiful, looks fucking dense as hell, but it held against the 96 plus Zerg. Motherfuckers, it held against the 96 plus. I am very happy with that.
Let's engage that Maggie actually.
There are
But
other vehicles
no
around it
problem
though.
for
So.
leading. This one was nice and relaxing,
There's infantry
especially
still.
after a birthday party that wasn't that
Shoot that on. Aren't in front of us.
yeah, we'll be waiting here for 1.5 minutes. Then we will be going to the next continent, which is
In front, right in front.
I was going for the Sunderer.
Yeah. When I call out targets, they're usually burning.
It's probably as a man. Who the fuck shot me?
Shoot.
What the fuck was that?
Alim shot me, because of course you did.
That may have been C4s planted for utter chaos.
Who the hell is bombing the Great Smoke is dead.
Who is playing a...
Yeah, stop it.
Those who are in the tower, get out of the tower. Out of the tower, out of the tower, out
Ro,
of the tower.
take me
We
to
don't
the
really take damage, but yes.
take me
Yeah,
to the
there's shields
ridge.
everywhere.
I'm recording the base. How do I remove my hood?
It has been extremely fun. This base
I have
held.
no idea.
It was extremely fun to see the walls being manned by 15 people shooting down, repairing, turrets flying.
What's the button to remove my hood?
F10 or 11. Control F10 or 11.
Somebody just killed me. I need a rest.
One does HUD, one does weapon.
I've done hood.
10 for
Bloody bug
control
survived.
F10 for HUD, control F11 for weapon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're shooting at me, you son of a...
Happy New Year!
Osher has fallen to the new
Oh,
conglomerate.
there you are!
The base hasn't blown up yet.
Is that me or armor rush?
Honestly, I did not think
Or
that was
no.
killing you.
Delta, I'm
Please
the one
listen.
who's been shooting you all along. You just executed like 3 people.
Oh, here's the base
I
blowing
go
up.
check.
Yeehaw!
Oh, I killed the whole squad apparently.
What an explosion!
Which continent want to go on?
Extremely well done. We're going to the...
In the...
We're going to the...
User
in there.
disconnected
Can we get
from
him in
your
there?
Ninja has an alert.
Just started.
And no Q.
Oh, it's not you.
I'm just
Oh, I gotta say,
I'm just recording this base slowly dying, and then I'm gonna log
You have
off.
to be quick, there is a Q.
I just got annihilated.
I have a positive KD as a fucking pilot of a Valkyrie, not a gunner. What the fuck?
I have a 9.5 KD.